Hello everyone, myself Vilwan Hinal. I study in FYBCom from Estrogen International College. My roll number is 952 and my division is H. Today I have to talk about the production function. So what is the production function? So let's see that. Microeconomics, as we know, studies the behavior pattern of consumers and the firms in so far as the behavior of firm is concerned. The cost of production occupies an important place. The aim of the firm is profit maximization, and to this end it will so deploy the factors that is able to get maximum output at least cost. The term production function refers the relationship between the inputs and the outputs produced by them. A firm that wants to produce something has to coordinate the factors of production, and in addition it has to procure and use other inputs. The term input is wider than factors of production. All those goods and services that the firm uses in the process of production may be termed inputs. For example, a firm may be using labor, capital, and land, but in addition to this, it may be using fuel, raw materials, and steel, dyes, and number of other things. Sometimes all these are lumped together and treated either as a land or capital. A production function expresses a relationship between input and output under conditions of given technology. That is, a production function exhibits a purely technical relationship which connects factor inputs and output. Thus, relationship between inputs and outputs is known as production function. It includes all technical efficient method of production. Thus, given the technical condition of production, the output of a particular type of goods depend on quantity of two or more inputs. The production function can be expressed as follows. Q is equal to F H1, H2 and H3. Here Q is equal to amount of output, H1 is equal to amount of land, H2 is equal to unit of labor, and H3 is equal to unit of capital. The above equation shows that the quantity of outputs depends upon the quantities of the factors used. The production function expresses the relationship between quantity of output and the quantities of the various input used. As Striegel has aptly pointed out, the production function is the name given to the relationship between rates of input and productive service and the rate of output of product. It is economically summary of technical knowledge. Basically, production function is a technological or engineering concept which can be expressed in the form of table, graph and equation showing the amount of output obtained from various combinations of input used in production given the state of technology. So now let's see the assumptions of production function. So first is the state of technology remains the same during a given period. If there is a change in technology, it would result in alternation of the input-output relationship depicted by the production function. B. It is assumed that the firm utilize their inputs at a maximum levels of efficiency. Now, besides the above two assumptions, the following 2 points must be also noted. First, production function like the demand function is to be considered with reference to a particular period of time. Production function express a flow of output resulting in a flow of input during the specified period of time. Production function of a firm is determined by the state of technology in the event of technological advancement. The production function changes the resulting in greater flow or output which can be obtained from the given inputs or smaller quantities for input can be used for producing a given quantity of output. There are two types of production function. First is short run and second is long run production function. So that is it. Hope you like the video, and that is my video for the production function. Bye bye.